It's not very deep here where I am. Look at this. About 10 inches, I reckon. Oh, there's some fishies. I don't know what they are, grey mullet or something. All swimming around. And some geese standing on one leg. It's quite clever. Have you ever seen a goose standing on one leg, Sean? You have now. As videoed by Kev from his kayak. And that is why I'm called Kayakev. So there. So this is my weekly blog from the UK. Sorry, vlog. Maybe I should put it on YouTube, see if I can get 1,000 followers, eh? What a gorgeous morning for a kayak there. I'm going to go aground in a minute. I'm only in about 4 inches of water. Oh well, I've got water, I've got sunscreen. I'm a very happy chappy. And just to prove, there's my ugly face. Hope you're having a good Monday, guys. And I'll watch your vlog later. Thank you, bye.